guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you're seeing my face for the very first time, I'm Sakshi and I make a lot of videos including dance, makeup and lifestyle videos. Also vlogs. Recently I had a trip to Delhi for some makeup collaboration. So this one's going to be first day of my vlog series. Like it, so let's get started. So I left from my house and my dad and my mom, they came to drop me to the station. I was kind of nervous, as you can see here, and I mean not really nervous, but I was just excited, and I was just going for the collab for the very first time, and yeah, I just wanted to shoot each and every part of my journey, although it was my first instance of shooting in public, and yeah, everyone was really staring me up wherever I was just switching on my camera. And then I started reading a book. I'm trying to finish this one since it's really long, so I thought that during the journey it would be really good time to do it. And then very soon it was time to sleep, and I sleep really well in trains, so yeah, I did that. This was the station, this is how it looked. I went out and I booked a cab. Alright, so I've reached Delhi, or I'm reaching my hostel, which is the hosteler. The time is around 5:50, something like that. And once I check in, after that I'll talk to you guys, and yeah, let's see how it goes. But this is the hostel. So let's sit and talk. I mean, I'm not really tired, but let's sit and talk. Okay, this is nice. Alright, so I'll tell you what happened. So basically I booked this chain of hostels, which is the Hosteler, and I'm in the Delhi one, and I booked 6th bed dormitory, female one, and since it was early check-in, तो मैंने एक दिन पहले की भी बुकिंग करी थी, एंड और मेरा मॉर्निंग का चेक इन था. सो बेसिकली यहाँ का जो चेक इन टाइमिंग होता है वो 1 बजे का अराउंड होता है इन द आफ्टरनून. सो सब लोग सो रहे थे, एंड देयर वाज सम इशू, या पता नहीं किसी और का चेक इन था, तो बेड सारे फुल थे, एंड ही टोल्ड मी दैट ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक इट राइट नाउ. वो अच्छे से सैनिटाइज वगैरह नहीं हो पाएगा. सो मीन वाइल, लाइक जब तक 1 बजती है, चेकआउट टाइम होता है आज का, तब तक दे आर शिफ्टिंग मी टू द प्राइवेट रूम, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम हियर. एंड yeah, this is the smaller one. I don't know. So इस समय सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये हुई कि since it's a private room, I can talk to you. I can talk to you about my day's plan, and we can figure out together कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ आज. So right now it's 6:30 and I think I'll freshen up, and I would be getting ready early. So I'm one of those people जिनको ट्रेन हो, बस हो या कार हो, कुछ भी हो, को नींद बहुत अच्छे से आ जाती है. तो मेरी नींद तो बहुत अच्छे से हो चुकी है ट्रेन में. So I think before I'll freshen up, I'll get on the bed for a while and lie down because it feels good. Yeah. So I have bit of a backache, तो अच्छा लग रहा है अभी थोड़ा लेट के. चलो फिर मिलते हैं तब तक के लिए. So I opened the window. I don't know I should keep my phone bahar or not, but so okay, तो बाहर अभी भी कोहरा है, और द टाइम इज़ अराउंड 7:30 एंड फ्रेशन अप मैं हो चुकी हूँ. I am not sleepy at all and बाहर हॉकिंग की आवाज़ तो आ रही है बट इतनी सुबह सुबह तो कोई ट्रैफिक तो दिख नहीं रहा है बट ठीक है वो टाइम ओके सो आई एम लिटिल हंग्री नाउ आई ऑलरेडी हैड माई ACV या वी कैन डू वन थिंग आई जस्ट शो यू द प्रोमाइसेस एंड देन आई कवर नीट तो मैं अभी थोड़ा बाहर देख के आ जाऊँगी कैसा क्या है प्रोमाइसेस में सो लेट्स गो So this is from where I entered and this is the hostel premises. There is some certain kind of sitting area and the hostel premises. It's nice and green. I mean, I can sit here for long and I don't know, I think I can get myself clicked right here. So I'm just setting my camera and I'll be clicking some pictures. Alright, so I am ready. I just got ready fatafat. I mean, I had went to have my breakfast and I was scrolling my phone for really long. So अभी 12 बज रही है and the plan is and my bag is also ready.
I don't know why, but what I'm going to carry in my bag on that particular day or any day takes a lot of time and वो भी हो गया है तो I'm just about to leave. मेरे बैग भी पैक हो गए हैं एक बैग मैंने पैक कर दिया दूसरा मुझे बस जिप लगानी है so that is also done and I'm about to leave.
So I'll leave in like 5 minutes और फिर plan ये है कि I'm heading to लाजपत नगर and I'm really craving momos. I mean जब से मेरा decide हुआ है कि मैं दिल्ली आ रही हूँ तब से मेरे दिमाग में यही है कि I'm going to have momos. So I'm going to go to this very famous place and it's called Dolma Auntie के momos. ओके सो मैं कंफर्म कर रही थी नाम सो आफ्टर हैविंग मोमोज प्लान ये है कि मुझे साकेत की तरफ जाना है फॉर दिस कोलैबोरेशन सो वहाँ पे वर्कशॉप है मेकअप का एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी द मॉडल फॉर द मेकअप थिंग एंड तो मैंने बस बहुत बेसिक सा मेकअप किया है थोड़ा सा ब्लश एंड लिपस्टिक लगाई है बाकी यहाँ से निकलते हैं और फिर बात करते हैं सो if you follow me on Instagram या फिर ऐसे Snapchat वगैरह
you will find this everywhere. I mean मेरा नया obsession है with caps and I am sure I'm going to buy a lot of caps. अच्छी अगर मिल जाए तो because I'm liking caps these days so much and I'm happy that summers are coming so I'll wear more and more of these. So yeah, so you'll find me in these all the time.
And I'm pretty much loving the caps का look on me.
ऐसा कोई trend नहीं है but I'm just loving it these days. I don't know why. Yeah.
All right, so I asked on the reception. They said कि आपको लाजपत नगर जाना है तो just take auto. वैसे next third या second या third ही station है, but auto would be much better option. So I'll be taking auto. So वहाँ से लेके पूरा यहाँ तक का पूरा मार्केट लाजपत नगर ही है और पूरा आगे तक भी अंदर की तरफ. So I'll just start. ओके सो आई हैव टेकन पनीर हाफ उनके रिकमेंडेशन पे हाँ लेट्स होप कि अच्छा निकले एंड फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड quite good. So basically, as people say, the chutney is yum. Chutney is really tasty. Although I'm not a big fan of momos, but chutney is quite good. Now I had paneer momos and they were really spicy. Point is I wanted to eat more, I wanted to have their veg platter also, but I'm getting really late. I have to reach the studios. ऑलराइट, तो मोमो खाते से ही इधर ही वो गली थी और मैं फटाफट से ऑटो में बैठ चुकी हूँ बिकॉज मैं बहुत लेट हो रही थी। और यार ये मार्केट कितना सही है, लाजपत मार्केट इतना अमेजिंग। पॉइंट इज आई हैव टू रीच इन 20 minutes, next 20 minutes and I'm running really late, but I'm very sure that I'll be back. मुझे बाकी लोगों के फूड ब्लॉग देख के लग रहा था कि यार इतनी तारीफ क्यों कर रहे हैं, बट that thing is worth it. So if you are nearby, if you are in Lajpat Nagar or if you are somewhere nearby, do try it. अगर आपने नहीं किया है तो अभी तक good, very good, amazing. Okay, reality check, मोमोज की चटनी बहुत तीखी थी, तो oranges is the rescue here in my case, so having them. Called her and I reached the studios. It's in the basement and yeah, let's go and let's see what happens next. I'm excited. All right. But before that I'll show you जहाँ पे सब लोग रेडी हो रहे हैं और जहाँ पे सारा मेकअप चल रहा है. There are a lot of artists, a lot of makeup artists and सब उनकी मॉडल्स हैं. So let's go and let's see how it works. And I'm gonna go and change right here upstairs. So yes, as I've told you, I was just doing this makeup modeling thing for my makeup artist who was Shweta Jain from Mumbai, and she's such a good professional hair and makeup artist, you guys. She was so good with me. So we connected over Instagram and we spoke about this collaboration, and yeah, everything just went well in the conversation, and yeah, that's how I went there. Also, this was the day when she was just testing out makeup and she was just checking out how my skin performs with the makeup she's doing. And the next day we were about to do the actual shoot thing. So we just got done with it very nicely and we shared a really nice bond, and I really loved the whole part of it. So I removed all the makeup and I moisturized my face, and yeah. So it's around 6:30 and I shall better be leaving and going to I don't know what place, but mostly it will be Lajpat Nagar, and yeah, chalo, let's leave from this place. Bye bye.
2 hours later.
ओके, सो अपडेट ये है कि मैंने लाजपत मार्केट घूमा, मैंने शॉपिंग की, और आई वॉज वेरी टायर्ड टू डू ब्लॉगिंग, सो आई जस्ट शॉप. ऑलराइट, सो आई हैड माय डिनर एंड आई एम लीविंग. So I'm back in hostel and I have an update to tell you. So what happened was कि जैसे मैं हॉस्टल पहुंची थी, मैंने अपना सामान फटाफट से डॉम, जो मेरा बेड है एक्चुअल वाला, वहाँ पे मैंने अपना बैग्स रख के, और कॉल्स करने थे तो डॉम रूम में यू नो डिस्टर्ब एवरीवन, तो मैं नीचे जो रीडिंग एरिया है वहाँ पे जाके बैठ गई थी. एंड अगेन अराउंड 11:30 आई वेंट बैक टू माई डॉम एंड आई सॉ के वहाँ पे बेड्स प्रॉपरली नहीं बने हुए हैं, मतलब. And then I contacted the reception, so they told me that they forgot to do it because उधर कुछ confusion हो गया था कि कोई stay कर रहा है वहाँ पे या नहीं कर रहा है already, मतलब पहले से. So they gave me the private room right now, और I changed. Let me just put the camera. So I shifted back here. So it was a long day and I'm really tired and I can feel that मेरी आवाज़ बहुत ऐसी कम सी हो गई है, बहुत low हो गई है. But yeah, please don't mind that. So yeah guys, if you really liked today's vlogging, if you liked this video, this type of content, please hit the like button. Do tell me, do write to me, let me know that you like such content, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. With that, I'll see you very soon. Until then, bye bye.